Hey everybody, this is Tracy from Photo Scraps with a little daily inspiration for you. This line is a crafty line. It's called I'd Rather Be Crafting from Echo Park. And they've got beautiful colors which work out great for scrapbooking pages. This is a little layout from Lisa Castaneda of a little weekend crop that we did one time with the Ginas and Lisa Halstead, and we had a good time. But the line is adorable, so you could make your own great scrapbook pages with it. You could even use this if you're doing crafts with your kids. You could use the crafting ones. They even put in a little bit of like sewing, so if you're more of a sewer, just a little handmade goodness, you could make those into fun cards. And of course they've got great cameras on their paper. This paper here would even be good for school layouts, for like a back to school layout. Sorry, my hands are shaking this morning. Then look at the great camera paper. Memories, totally fun line. Filled with lots of fun colors and great images. And then we even have some fun embellishment packs to match along with it. Look at that. I'd rather be crafting. And then we also have the Crafty Girl scrap kit from Simple Stories. So they also came out with a good collection of colors and papers for crafters. It was nice this year to see two lines for crafters that both had good colors. A lot of times, all the other lines I've seen in the past have all had colors I would never scrap with in a million years. So it was so nice to see two lines with wonderful colors. So come on in and check out these fun crafting lines from Simple Stories and Echo Park. See you soon.